So we worked on the product model to make the save method more flexible. And now in the admin.js controller, in post edit product, there we already have code where we find a product by ID, and this will work because find by ID is a method I created in my model. So here we have the product, or maybe we should name it product data, because here I will now create a new product constant by using my product constructor, so my own product class, and there I will pass my updated title, my updated price, my updated image URL, and my updated description, and my ID. Now actually, we don't even need find by ID then anymore. We can just get rid of that, and for now also of that, and simply create a new product with all the updated information. And we now also need to pass the product ID. There, you just need to make sure that you create a new MongoDB object ID object. So make sure that at the top of the file, you do actually require MongoDB. And now you can, of course, also create a new constant, name it object ID or whatever you want, and extract that object ID constructor out of MongoDB like this. And then you could just write new object ID and reference this basically. So we can now go down to post edit product and pass a new object ID here with new object ID and wrap that prod ID you're extracting from the URL here and wrap that, or from the body of the request, and wrap that into object ID. Now we have that new product, and now we can simply call product save because we just modified the save method to support both creation and updating. So let me save all of that and let's give this a try. Let's reload that view here maybe, change the price to 19.99 and click update product. Now we get a page not found. Let's ignore that for now. And let's instead go back to MongoDB Compass and click that refresh icon here. Now that doesn't look like it worked though, right? The price is unchanged. But I also did not get an error. So what's wrong here? Well, you need to go to your admin.js routes again and uncomment this post edit product route. Otherwise, editing products will not be possible. So now if we load that product to edit again and we change that price, now this looks much better, or at least partly. If we have a look at MongoDB Compass, we see now it looks like I made a mistake with the assignment of values. So my description, and I can simply edit this here, my description now simply was the URL and the other way around. So let me change both and click update here. And now if we load this page again, it should work. But the most important thing is our method worked. Now, what did I mess up? If I go to the admin controller, I'm assigning price, image URL, and description. Well, that is in the wrong order. It should first be the description and then the image URL. But that was only a little logical mistake I made. If I edit this again, back to 12.99, you see now this is working. And this also works. Let's see how it works if I added two fields at the same time. This also works. So this is how we can update a product with the help of MongoDB and with the help of update 1.